So today we find a C root using Python. This is the most unique project in the field of transportation plus coding project. Here we find C root using SC graph. Basically, SC graph calculate the shortest path between two points of Earth using latitude and longitude. So here just follow my code. You just have to install pip volume and geopy and SC graph. Then you have to import these two called geodisk and nomi team, something like that. Bad. Just wait. Okay, here so currently I'm entering the two ports name called North Korea and Japan by using a geo geodesk geopy. I getting the latitude and the longitude of my port. So what I have to do, I have to set start destination and starting point in the form of the latitude and the longitude. Then I have to enter this latitude and the longitude in SC graph. So SC graph is basically the kind type of neural network that help to find routes using some famous algorithms. So here I go. So as you can see, I'm able to find my length of my even routes, and here I get some coordinates in the form of array. So okay, then I have to, if I want to visualize this, then I'm using volume for this. So if I zoom this, here I get route. So I set the two ports. One port of Korea and one port of Japan. So yeah, this is very easy one. You just have to set the longitude, uh, latitude and longitude, and use this library called scgraph, and you will get the route coordinates for visualization. Yeah, thank you.